welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be trying sushi for the very first time in Japan. So I have my friend right here and she's gonna help me to choose the best tasting sushi at this place.
I am Hinano, I'm Japanese. Well, yeah, I'm gonna tell her what to try.
So what are we gonna order first?
So these are recommendations.
So the one that is cooked first. So where is it coming from? Oh, right here. Nice.
Yeah, you gotta pick it up.
Cool.
Mine. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, that was fast.
Oh, okay.
Oh, let's see. Where is it coming from? Ooh, up here. Okay.
Yep.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay. I got the beef and she got the salmon. So the salmon is raw, the beef is cooked. So I'm gonna start off with some cooked sushi first, and then afterwards I'm gonna transition to the raw sushi.
These are soy sauce.
Okay. Over here, soy sauce.
Yeah.
So the regular soy sauce that's in the supermarket, because I guess these have different Kanto style, Hidaka.
Yeah, Hokkaido.
Kyushu. Oh, I'll try Kanto because I've lived in Kanto
Alright.
all my life. Well, in Japan also. How about you? What are you gonna try?
I'm gonna try Kyushu because it's sweet.
Okay, so I will. Okay, I'll try Kanto first, and then I'll try the others for the others. Alright, so you do it
Yeah, soy sauce on it.
and eat. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Let's try the Kanto soy sauce. It tastes like the rice, and then you put beef on top. What's that called?
Beef bowl.
Yeah, beef bowl. Yeah, so it tastes like a beef bowl.
Okay. So I hope that means good.
Yeah, it's good. I like beef bowl.
Cool.
Yeah.
How many we order? Ordering. It means 4.
Okay, 4. So we can get 2 more.
Right.
They look so delicious. We have a table filled with sushi. Right, so I'm gonna try the what is it? Hamburg
Cheese. Yeah.
sushi. I'm gonna use the special sushi sauce.
Okay. I never tried it.
I hope it tastes good. Oh, do we have more? Oh, no,
Just
no.
the others. Yeah. Now just put it there.
So this has cheese on it.
Our typical. I'm gonna try hamburger sushi.
This is good.
Good? Yeah.
Wow. I've been missing out.
It's okay.
And they use the cheese. I like this type of cheese. It's really good.
The melted one. Melting. I forgot the name.
I think this is
Spicy.
roast beef, maybe.
Well, same as this beef, so it's yeah, you can check it.
Or spicy beef rib.
Raw one?
Oh, they have cooked?
Yeah. I can show you.
Oh no, it's okay. I want to try the real thing.
Ooh.
So wait, how do Japanese usually eat? They prefer the raw or the cooked?
Me personally, I like raw. I mean, yeah, raw.
Okay.
Yeah, see, it's a plain fatty tuna.
Oh, so like they put fire on it. Okay, I'll try the raw one because since this is my last time.
But my recommendation is this.
Okay, alright, yeah.
So good. It's gonna melt in your mouth.
Okay. So let me show them which one it says will melt in my mouth. So this is her recommendation. So this one.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna get it. Okay, and so that's
Yeah.
tuna and then salmon.
Salmon.
Okay. Okay. Come in. Wherever. Oh, nice. Okay.
This is a normal salmon. These are fatty tuna. Okay. Well, I'll eat this last
Okay.
because I love it.
Alright, so I'll eat it last too.
Yep.
Ooh. Okay. I caught it this time. Alright, so we got our 5 sushi. What is that again?
Minced tuna.
Okay.
And then my favorite shoyu.
And I'll try the shikoku soy sauce.
Yeah, what is it?
Shikoku.
Ponzu soy sauce. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's a soy sauce. Where's my cup? Okay. It's a tuna. Itadakimasu.
Soy sauce. So I think maybe I'll only eat one of these.
Alright. Okay.
So you put all of this in your mouth? This is big.
Yeah, you should try it. Yeah. Tempura. Alright. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Ganbatte.
I messed up the other one. Sorry.
No worries.
This one, maybe because I don't like shrimp. So,
You don't really like it. Fine too. Try this. I don't know which soy sauce you want, but I like this always.
okay.
I'm gonna eat this.
So I'm not the only one that's gonna struggle.
Yeah, that's a long. Oh, I'll eat this first. Yeah.
Alright, so now for salmon.
Yay.
Finally, I can know what it tastes like.
Good.
Ooh. Let's try. Maybe because I know it's raw, but it doesn't taste raw.
Okay. What does that mean?
But I don't know what raw meat tastes like. But like, I thought that maybe it would like have maybe like a weird taste, but not really. It's okay.
Oh, cool. Right. So you can.
So I'll try the other piece.
Yeah, sure.
Let me put have more soy sauce on it.
Okay. Complicating taste. You don't hate it, but you don't.
Yeah, like I probably wouldn't try it again.
Right.
Not salmon.
Okay. Oh, this is tuna. So.
And this is the raw tuna.
Okay, but good one.
Right.
You like this soy sauce, or you wanna change soy sauce?
Maybe I'll try the contour again.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's very soft. So yeah, it does melt. But maybe because I know it's raw, it's like I don't. So maybe not again.
Don't think about it, it's raw.
But yeah, it tastes good. But it just I can't get it off my mind now.
Did you feel the difference between when you had salmon and this?
Yeah, this one is softer, I think.
Yeah, they are more like fatty. Yeah, so that's why it melts. That's good.
So now for dessert.
Oh yeah, sure. I totally forgot.
Oh, both of them are here. Ooh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's so cool.
Thank you. Oh, it's very hard. I probably shouldn't be eating ice cream because outside is cold.
Oh yeah.
I guess I'm gonna have to suffer. But today wasn't that cold though.
Not that bad. When was it? It was really cold.
2 days ago. We have eaten so many different types of sushi today. So my favorite one is the cheese hamburger sushi. That's my number one. And then the one that tastes so familiar is the grilled beef sushi. Yeah, so I think those two are my top two. The worst one is for me is the shrimp one. Shrimp sushi. Yeah, shrimp tempura sushi. Okay, so how about you? So what maybe the tuna?
Well, the fatty tuna is my favorite, of course, but I also like raw salmon too. So
yeah. For the raw salmon and the tuna, 50-50, yeah. But I don't. Maybe I'll try it again, but I'm not eager to try it. But definitely for the cheese hamburger, yeah, I'll definitely try that again. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.